Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is on English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 9, air pollution. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given into the description box. Click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 8A, under the title of Reading and Writing, we will learn today about time and we will cover this page, page number 72. Before in English for grade 3, we have already learned about time. I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are: locate specific information in a clock, quarter to and quarter past. So today we will learn about these types of time. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Asr, verse number 1 to 3, by the time, lo, man is in a state of loss, save those who have faith and do righteous deeds and counsel each other to hold on to truth and counsel each other to be steadfast. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse, in this beautiful verse, an oath is being taken of time, that it is clearly telling us, informing us that man is in loss, that we are in loss, except those. 4 qualities are being discussed here: who have faith, firm belief on Allah Almighty, who are doing righteous deeds, good deeds, and who counsel, discuss with each other truth, and they also have that firm belief on truth, except those who have patience. Even they are facing hardships, but they are showing patience in every situation of life. So except these qualities, that man have these qualities, except those mans, all other men are in loss. Yes, my dear students, there are pre-reading questions are there. Let's refresh our previous knowledge. What do you know about a clock? So yes, my dear students, everyone has clock at home. So you must respond this question to your answer to your teacher and then come back. Excellent job. I hope you have done it, because already I told that everyone has clock at home. Even we have clocks at our school also. Let's see what is a clock. A clock is used for measuring time, indicating hours, minutes, and seconds by hands on a round dial. Yes, my dear students, a clock, what is a clock? Clock is always showing times in the shape of hours, minutes, and seconds on a round dial. Yes, you can see that there is also an image of a clock, that this short hand is giving us hours and this long hand is giving us minutes hand, and this red and thin hand is showing us seconds. So this is a shape of a clock and it is showing us time, that what's time now. Yes, how we can judge different times? Let's see, my dear students. When the minute hand points to the number 3, it is a quarter past time. Yes, my dear students, when the minute hand is on the number 3, you can see that this is that long hand is already, I told you this is minute hand. When minute hand is on number 3, so it is giving us that quarter past. So it means we can say 12 o'clock to 15 minutes. It is giving us quarter past time. We can get that. So which time is now? And what is next that? When the minute hand points to the number 9, it is a quarter to time. Yes, my dear students, you can see the difference. When minute hand is on the number 9, so then it is showing us quarter to. Quarter to means 15 minutes are remaining by 10 o'clock. There when it is on 3, so then it is quarter past, and when that minute hand is on 9, then it is showing us quarter to. So we can judge the difference on clock also, my dear students. Yes, my dear students, let's perform an activity in my class. Yes, my dear teachers. Yes, teacher will take a clock in the classroom, make pair of students move the minutes hand to point different numbers and ask what's the time is. Perform this activity in different ways to give proper concept of quarter past and quarter to time on a clock. Yes, my dear teachers, get a clock in your class and point different numbers on clock and do this activity practically and get students that how they can tell that which time it is and enjoy the activity in your class. Excellent job. I hope you have enjoyed it and you have got that how we can tell the time, how we can tell different times on a clock. Yes, my dear students, open book page number 72, question number 11, time half past, quarter past, quarter to. Show and write the time. You will show and you will tell the time, what's the time it is. Perform this individual activity in your class on your book. Good. Excellent. I hope you have done it in a nice way. Good job, my dear students. So what's our today homework? Draw a clock and mention school timing, i.e. opening time, periods time and off time in your notebooks. Yes, my dear students, as we know that we have our timetable in our school. When is our opening time, which periods have different timings, and also our off time. So you will draw a clock in your notebook and you will mention all these timing in your notebook. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and these worksheets are given below. Click it, download it and give it to your students in printed form to get more knowledge about time. So what we have covered up today? We have learned today about different time format on our clock, i.e. quarter past and quarter to, and in this way we have covered up our lesson. We'll look at specific information in a clock, quarter to and quarter past. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed it and you have got excellent knowledge about time. See you with next lecture. See you tomorrow. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.